In this video, we'll visit our privacy policy and terms and conditions settings in our admin panel. Click on the settings. Here you'll see options for privacy and terms. Upon clicking, you'll see several options related to privacy and terms. The first is the customer terms and conditions, followed by the customer privacy policy and the customer account deletion policy. We also have options for the driver's terms and account privacy, as well as the driver policy. There's also a section for the driver account deletion policy. Let's delve into the customer terms and conditions, the customer privacy policy, and the customer account deletion policy. We have the same options for the driver as well. These include driver terms and conditions, driver privacy policy, and the driver account deletion policy. Giving the option of terms and conditions, along with privacy policies for both customers and drivers, is crucial. These settings help set the regulations when registering and differentiate between policies for customers and drivers. We can also configure account deletion policies here. Any changes we want to make to our privacy and terms can be set here, which will reflect on our app and web. So, it's vital to configure all these settings correctly in our privacy policy section so that they show accurately on the web and for both drivers and customers. That's all about the use of privacy and term settings available in the admin panel. Hope this video helps you understand how it works. Thanks for watching.